Hi darlings, best ever people, welcome to my channel Me and Places. I'm Paulina and today I'm walking through Helsinki to see LUX Helsinki, which is an annual light festival. Let's check it out what they have this year. This one is called Quietly Speaking Colors. It's made by Kotryna Čalkaitė and it's an installation in the memory of her father who died. So all the colors portray some kind of memories that are connecting her with her father. For example, pink is referring to Pink Floyd, the last show they saw together. Or green portrays the color of the lake where they used to go every year. This one is made by Burvenich. It portrays how different sentences are colliding. You can see them colliding and you can hear them colliding when you stand near to this installation. It's like when different sentences collide, you can come up with something new. That's how I saw it. This one is called the Great Indecision Council. So here, Google used terms are turned into light signals and sound. This happens real time. This one is called Abstract. It's one of those I like the most this year. It was inspired by the concept of relativity, and it's a performance that happens in 20 minutes loop. This was made by Collective Coin. Collective Coin is an artistic lab from France which makes installations, apparently. These were composed by Maxim Wilczowski, who is a Czech designer, and these cars are brought here in Helsinki straight from Ukraine, from the war. And honestly, my first reaction was just to burst in tears because it's really moving, and you can read stories of people whose cars these are. This and the next one are made by Pitaya. Pitaya is a studio, creative studio in France, which uses light as main theme of production. And this one is called Whale Ghosts, and it's really cool. Made me think of extinction and how many species are already just ghosts. Also next one, the birds are also done by Pitaya. This one is done by Mauri Ahola and Teemu Kokkonen, and the name of this is Suurkaupungin kasvot, which means the faces of the big city. And it has different vibes, modern vibes, old-time vibes, and it's very different as history of the city is. And it's the last one on my path this time, so the last one I'm sharing with you. Thanks guys and girls for watching and stay curious. Bye!